Okay, good morning. Today is Saturday, and as usual, a bright day, sunny day. The temperature is around 19 degree in Geneva. The sky is clear. Okay, today I just want to do an exercise uh, that will help us, enable us to produce or create a SCS curve number grid. So let's go ahead and start the the project. Okay, it's always in ArcGIS. Maybe this one. The data is available online and everyone can access it. It's Purdue University, School of Civil Engineering, and Dr. Marwadi is the one who provided us the data. So these are the files. So we can go ahead and start the okay, before we start, we have to make sure that the spatial analyst extension is activated here. Let me go ahead and add land use. Here is the file, the land use file, and it comprises or it contains lots of types of land use, around 15 types of land use are included. So what we are going to do is just we can leave it as it is, or we have to reclassify it. I mean, we are going to generalize it into a broad spectrum way of classification. It means making similar groups into one, and and that way we are going to shorten the number, or we are going to decrease the number, the type of land use. So we are going to divide into water, agricultural area. I mean, just the land use type which are dominant land use types, or the predominant land use types, the widely practiced land use types will be included in the new reclassified shapefile. So let's go ahead and divide it. That is recommended by the tutorial itself. So to divide, to reclassify the land, first we will go to the tools and okay, here is the spatial analysis tool or a class reclassify. Okay, set land use value. So we are going to reclassify them into four groups. This is number 2, which is a medium residential area. It was a developed open space. Now just we simply categorized into a larger group of medium residential. So this one is also 2. It was a low intensity developed area. So 2023 also developed medium intensity area. We just categorized into medium residential area. And 24 was also high intensity developed area. We just simply group it into a medium residential. So number 31 is like a barren land. So we just put it into an agricultural area. So the CDS forest 41. So this one is a forest 3. 3 is a forest. Forest. Then 52 is an agricultural area. 71 is a grassland for agricultural area. 81 is a pasture. It's agricultural area. 82 is a cultivated crop. So agricultural area. And 90 is a woody wetland. So wetland, a lot of water, so with water. And 95 is herbaceous wetland, emergent herbaceous wetland. So these are a broad type of classification so that it will help us to minimize. Okay, we are going to put this one into the same file, the same folder here, and we can land use reclass. So that's it. We have reclassified the land. So the next step will be we have to change, convert into polygon, so that later we are going to use it. This is the land use class. So now reclass. So now we are going to convert these to conversion tool. Where is the conversion tool? From raster. We are going to convert from raster to polygon as reclass here, the reclassed one. Okay, we are going to call it land use poly, and let it be in this file. That's all. Now it has been it's already converted. It's already converted. So that's all. That's all. Land use is already converted. This is the land use into polygon. So the next step will be preparing the soil data. So to prepare the soil data, we go ahead and upload the soil. There is a data here in the spatial soil, cedar soil. That's it. This is the soil data. We can see the attribute file. This is the attribute file, and we need another field here. So we have to add here another field. Add field here. The field type called soil code. That will help us later. Okay, that's it. Add field. So soil code. It's the code of the soil. So text. So okay, as a already formed, and we have to populate this one. We need to populate the soil codes from another table. So to bring that table here, we have to, this is the component table. That is it. We just simply, you see, we can see the component table. So we need here a column of information. Soil type, hydro group. We need this file. We have to join this table with the soil file in order to copy. Okay, I think that is the choose the field in the live that they will be based on this. Okay, so now we can see that the two tables are joined. Soil code is empty here. The tables are joined. So we need only this one. So we use field calculator to populate the soil codes, component hydro. That's from the component table. It means component here it is. From the component hydro, we take the data and populate it into the soil code. populated, exactly. So that's all. Now we have to go here. So maybe okay, we have to go here and remove the component. Remove the joints. The component will be removed now. We can check it again. That's it. That's what we need. That's what we need. So we can see that there are some cells uh, without data, without information in it. So we need to correct that before we proceed to the next step. So let us sort ascending. That's it. So there are files, a lot of files, a lot of cells with no data. So we have to correct it. As the information given in the tutorial, the widely um, available soil type in the area is type C. So just by replacing null with C, we we can eliminate. I mean, or we will make use of the rest of the data. You see, just simply replacing this one with C. So let me replace it with a certain type of soil code or soil type. Maybe that might be appropriate to replace it with C around almost 400 ACC. C, yeah, I think we can't replace it. Okay, maybe just simply let us do this. Okay, we can go ahead and edit it. That is the soil clip. These are I think the areas where now the areas where the soil code is deleted. So I can replace it with just simply manually like this for the time being, for the sake of this exercise, and I will check it later. That is it. So everything is now, we can sort it again. So everything is okay. C is complete. Now you can see that's all. So simply That's all. We go ahead and save it. The next step is to create another field. Stop editing here. We need another field to add. That is percentage of soil type. Okay, percentage okay, as short integer. That's it. The add B for soil type B. That's for soil type C. That's for soil type C. Type D. So these are the percentage of the soil type. For example, in this soil code in this area, A is the soil type. So A will be 100% and the others will be 0. That is it. And similarly for others also the same. For B will be 100 and the others will be 0. So to do that, let me first make A available for editing. So that's A. Okay, that's A, 800 of them. So now see A, this will be using this field calculator. A will be 100. That's what I mean. Then the others will be 0. 0. This one also the same 0. This one also the same 0. That's it. That's it. Now B. Everything is now okay. We can maybe okay. It is better to I think Oh, here is a new file. So CNgrid is the deal. So saved. Now we have to merge the two files, the soil file that we prepared and the land use file that we prepared. We have to join them, merge them into one. So that will be the next step, merging the two. To merge the two, we have to go to the tool overlay union. It is here. See, now we are going to merge this soil and also land use, and we'll put it somewhere in the same folder, maybe here. Let it be there, you see. If let me check it again. This is the okay, here maybe. Here what that is cedar, the merge file, soil and land use shape file. That's it. Everything is okay. Go on. That's it. We have created the soil land use file. But according to the tutorial, this one file, this column, the one which has -1, this implies that it has only the soil, only file from the soil. But there is no union here because the other file doesn't have I mean the same file as the soil clip, so it's necessary to remove this one or replace it with some file, but according to the tutorial it is easier to remove it. So we are going to remove this one. Yeah, it's because it doesn't represent the balls. Doesn't represent balls. It's just come only from one file. So we are going to delete this one. Okay, before we are going to delete it, we have to come here and start editing this one. So I think this is the one, you see. These two lines in the border maybe, because the highlighted color here indicates selected. Let us go. Anyway, okay, that's it. We are going to delete it now. Delete. It's deleted. Now save edits. See, it is no longer here. Deleted. Now now they are merged. Before continue, we have to have a CN lookup table. Or create a table so that the HMS will look from that table or the curve numbers and so on for our combined files. The cedar soil needs some curve number, and it will pick curve number from the CN lookup table. So let us go ahead and make the table. To make the table, we have to go here, management tool. That's where data management tool, table, create a table. That's it. We want the table to be here, and the name of the table will be CN lookup. That will be CN lookup. That's all. Created a table now, and the table needs some field. So we add LUV value, land use value, means created, and another one, description artist text. Okay, then add a type A, so for source code A, B, C, and D. Okay, now we will go ahead and save it. have to come here and say stop editing. We have to start editing here, and yes, we are going to add some data. For example, for water, then soil type A100 as the current number, 100 and 100 for wetland and water, and 2 for medium residential places. It is 57 for soil type, 72 for B, as given on the table. Just simply copy. 86 for number 3, forest, so that the HMS extension, the Geo HMS extension, will look those curve numbers for us. 67, and assign to the combined file to our grid. See, final grids 87, and for that is agriculture, land, agricultural land 67. Oh, forest is 30 here. I made a mistake. 30, 58. 58, confused. 71, 78. That is 87, 83, 77, 67. That's it. These are the values that is going to be taken. So let me save it. So now we can save the whole file here for Geo HMS, so that it will understand all the names, the data, and so on. So what we are going to do is now we just simply go to the combined file here and add another field. For example, there is a you see grid code here. The grid code is not understand. I mean, the Geo HMS can't understand this, so we just change this name or add another column here and populate this data. The data just take the data from here to the other column. That column will be land use column. So yes, it is integer, so we just leave it as it is. See, land use. Now you see it is 0, 0, so we populate this with these values using field calculator. So what we are going to do is just simply grid code. You see, land use would be replaced by grid code. That's all. Yes, now we have populated our data in that column. So it's finished. We just simply save this one. Oh, okay, no saving. Okay. Now we can go here and generate our CNgrid. To generate a CNgrid, we need a dump file that is available here or given, I think, the hydro dump file according to the tutorial. You see this dump file is given, and also the input soil land use polygon is this one. We have done it. That is the combined file. The CN lookup file is that one, the one which we created here. That is the CN lookup file, and our output will be that maybe here in CNgrid file. Let us call CNgrid. That is the CNgrid file. Save. No. Okay. Let me go ahead and here CNgrid file. Okay, we are good to go now. I think everything is okay. So God help us. This is final. This is final. So just if it starts to count, that is important, but it's working now. It's working, it's great. Now we have done everything well. It's great. So it takes time. We have to wait until it reaches to 100%. After that, we will have a grid file so that we can use it for our to prepare a data for our HMS model. See, that's all. That's all. It's wonderful. It's wonderful to be able to create by ourselves the grid file. That is the end of this tutorial. So we are going to see the results. So it was wonderful. It was wonderful. So it is finished. This tutorial has finished. Wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. This is the grid file. This one, let us remove the others. Okay, this is the file, the grid file. Wow, it's wonderful, it's wonderful. Congratulations, we did it. Let me see. So information threshed value, pixel value. So curve number from 0 to 100. Wow. I just wanted to see. We can't edit it. It's done. It's done. So go ahead and save it. That's all. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope it was interesting. And I will come with another exercise next week. Thank you very much. Au revoir.